Hello, fellow indie developers, random strangers, and whatever. Today, I'm going to show you a bit of how I develop the remake of Project EVA. Now, the graphic is the old graphic from Project EVA. We're just remaking the original game. You got light system going on compared to the old one. Enemies can now patrol. And I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. We have power-ups for weapon. I believe we got them going, maybe not yet, but we got new icons. As you can see, I designed the ammo boxes, new keys, by the way, new med kits. You got a small med kit, large med kit, and a medium med kit. And I'm going to also introduce new areas that will be completely dark. As you can see, the lights are broken over here. In this area you're gonna face tougher monsters. They're completely optional, and you can backtrack and open them when you get the other keycards. Like the yellow keycards, you find it on the level 2. You can come back here using the elevator and enter this area. You'll find a power up for your weapon. Still debating whether it's going to be for the pistol, the shotgun, or the machine gun. Or, I mean, the assault rifle and the magnum, you're gonna find them on level 3, so it's fine. So let's keep on going. So basically the character starts here. This guy has a sight radius. You don't see it now, but it has sight, and you got a hearing range. So the enemy cannot see you if you're behind his back, but can hear you within a certain range. So you start here. The tutorial will prompt you to, oh, this enemy hasn't detected you yet. You can sneak up on him and shoot him. You can get the key to open this door. Then you enter the room. There is another tutorial bit that shows you that enemies will patrol. So this dog will basically go in this direction. That's 2 waypoints. And you can skip this fight. However, you need to get into the elevator at the end of the first level. Why is this plant right here? Okay, please remove yourself. Okay, so we need to do this. Okay, now it's a little bit better. Okay, fine. So you get into the elevator going to level 2, which is a different scene. You get the submachine gun over here. So the player goes this way, and then you can choose whether to go on the optional area, which is going to be, there's going to be a tutorial for that. Basically Erika will tell you, this area looks strange, there are the enemies, whatever. And to proceed you need to go over here, jump over here, go here, there's a room. The room is another scene. You basically you exit this way. If you want to go back, because the area is walled off, from this room you can go over here. So this area contains the blue keycard, which you need to open, which you need to progress the game. Also you need the sapphire key to open the sapphire door. So you find the sapphire key over here, along with the submachine gun and an NPC. We still have to introduce the NPC. So now I was testing the door unlocking. Okay, I don't think I have the... Oh yes, I removed the door. Oh, this is the door, basically. Locked. You can customize, I can customize this pop-up, but basically it says locked. So we need to go, oh yes, there is a problem here. Okay, this is order in layer 1. Apparently I cannot see this thing, basically. I don't know why. Probably because I don't know why they keep going like that. Okay, now you will be able to see it. There you go. I need to work on the running animation. I need to remove some frames. There are 24 frames for the running animation. I need to remove it a bit. And by the way, we've added the... Ouch, ouch, please let me go. Okay, I'm gonna not die. There are... Now I've added the knife attack. We still have to adjust the cooldown for the knife. This is temporary. It will be too OP to do something like that. You can basically destroy enemies. The pistol, you have a laser dot. Now I've disabled the light, so you basically see this thing. But we have a crosshair for that too. I think it's in effect somewhere along, probably graphic. It should be something somewhere along this area. Yeah, you have a crosshair over here. Also, there is a flashlight, which is disabled for now. Should be a freeform. Okay. So you have a flashlight. We still have to make it bounce. Basically, when you're moving, the flashlight will bounce. As you can see, we are blocking the light. There is this thing that basically the light goes through. I don't know why, but I mean it's. You can open and close the doors, so the enemies will not be able to. You can block the enemies. Yes, sure, Windows, please stop. Okay, so basically that's the gist of it. Oh, there's a user interface, by the way. Okay. Now I still have to design the knife icon. But you get the knife. Wait, you get the knife. You get the pistol. You can use the next weapon and previous weapon button to quickly change weapons. And yeah, let's keep on developing the level. Okay, I cannot test the level yet because basically when you change, why does, please close the package, nobody wants to see you. Okay, basically when you enter a room, you go into this other scene with all the rooms. Now I'm not gonna make a scene for each room. I'm gonna make the level scene and the room scene for each level. So you enter the room, you do your things, you find the keys, same as before. But as you can see, you enter this room, there are 2 doors now. This means that, okay, this room here, this door leads to this door, and this door leads to this area. Okay, so it's I've added another layer of depth basically to the game, whereas before you just enter a room, clear it, get the ammo and the keys, and you get out. So I still need to design many rooms, but until the saving script is done, I cannot test whether there are enough enemies or enough ammo for the player to complete the room. So far I need to go with my guts instinct and lay down some generic generic level design. That's all I need to do. Okay, so basically the player comes out here. This guy is guarding this area, so basically the player doesn't get ambushed because he's looking this way. So you get to choose whether you want to kill this guy or simply skip him, jump over him. Now the enemies recognize now that there is an edge, so they won't fall back, they go back to their position. This guy is patrolling, by the way, I think. Okay, I need to disable the UI because it's in my way, which I did. Why is... oh, oops. Okay, so this guy is patrolling, right? Yes, so he goes about this way, up, goes between waypoint 1 and waypoint 2. Okay, so what can we do? Okay, so the player goes here, there's a room over here, and there's the stairs down to get to this area. Okay, Then you get to this area, you go here, you can go up and down. Okay, nice. Okay, so let's add some props, because that's all we're gonna do for now. Props and monsters. Okay, we need to get the vending machine. They are props, they are in their relative folder, so we can keep things tidy. Okay, so basically we put the stuff over there. Chairs, yeah, sure, why not? Chairs nearby. Okay, I use a duplicate because I have not made a prefab for each of these sprites, so I don't want to every time go here and remove the ordering layer. Okay, and change the ordering layer, by the way. Okay, so we need more corpses. Do we have enough corpses? One is over there. Yeah, let's just duplicate this one. Flip, 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 flip. Okay, so this guy got killed by the mutants while trying to get a drink. What else can we get? Yes, I'd say we can get a plant, because plants, I mean, I'm going for, how can I say this? I'm basically try to make things that look okay. It's a good contrast between the colors, so green is okay. What else can we add? Lights? Yeah, definitely I need the light system too. Okay, there's a light folder, duplicate, and drag them this way. Over here, nice. Or maybe I can, no, let's do this. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so we got the lights. I can choose whether these lights are on and off. That's okay. I'll do that later. It's fine. How about the bathrooms? They're over there. How about we put some bathrooms? Where do we put some bathrooms, by the way? Okay, I think this is the end of the level, by the way. And then I designed the monster, the boss arena. So yeah, there are two things that I designed: the props for the corridors and the props for the rooms. I cannot place a desk in a corridor. Okay, that doesn't look believable, and neither does a bookshelf. So I'm quite restricted to what I put in the corridors. So many elements will be repeated. I do have a clock, not a clock. Duplicate and put it over the the vending machine. Okay, looks more believable now. Maybe over here. Okay. What do you usually get in corridors? Printers are okay in corridors, yes. Get these fake corridors, so we can deploy some of those. Very careful where do I deploy those things, because the way I designed the sprites in the original game. Okay, I'm not going over the sprites again. This is, by the way, this is a release for Steam. I'm gonna post it on DL site too. I'm gonna post the hentai version on DL site. Basically the hentai will be the same, except that now enemies, when you die, enemies will trigger the animation on the spot. So it's a game over rape instead of, oh, you die, okay. When you kill the boss, you unlock the animations and you can watch them in the prison mode. So in the Steam version will be family friendly, because honestly I don't want to go the hentai way. So it's gonna be family friendly. There will be no hentai on the Steam version, and I'm doing the remake because I want to prepare Steam for Project EVA 2. So I want Project EVA 1 on Steam, but the original version was quite kind of, how can I say, not the best, and it definitely was not Steam ready. Okay, even though it received good good ratings, 4 out of 5 stars, I don't think it was ready for Steam. So I'm making a Steam version to be acceptable, and then I'm going to go over Project EVA 2. Okay, so basically, maybe I want an enemy to patrol this area. What can we use? Can I use a dog? Yes, I want to use a dog. Duplicate, and here we go. I'm using duplicate because I want to make them unique, you see. So when you save, the names are different, and they will not cause any issue with the serialization procedure. Okay, enemy guard is going to be patrol. We need a couple of you can give more than 1 waypoint, more than 2 waypoints, but okay. So create empty object. Oh, so you're telling me this guy was guarding, but this dog had 2 game object that doesn't need to exist. So mutated employee, he's patrolling, nice. Yeah, I'm gonna have to sort this out. Mutated employee, patrolling, yes. I need to remove the waypoints from enemies that do not actually patrol. Okay, this is relevant, it's going to fall down to the floor when the game starts. Okay, first we're going to patrol this area over here, and the second will be over here. So we have a dog patrolling this area. Okay, maybe the dog killed this guy, who knows? You tell me. Okay, we need those vents, which, since this is not Deus Ex, you cannot use them. Okay, vents are fine over there. Yeah, sure. Sure. Let's actually, yeah, let's duplicate them some more and put them over here. Yeah, sure, why not? Okay, so now I think I need to duplicate some of the backgrounds. 3 and 4. Duplicate and keep going. Now I cannot use the rect tools because there is, see, some effects on the walls. So if I use the one single wall, it will look like a big giant wall of bad things. Okay. So now the question becomes, how do I proceed? Okay, the player jumps down or keeps going if he has the keys. Now the question is, will the player get stuck? No, because I'm gonna put a key over here. So you can open these and say, oh, I'm stuck here, I need another key. Oh, but wait, I need to go, I didn't explore this room, so I can go back and get a key from this room. Then I can go over here, open this door, and say, oh shit, I had to open this door over there, so I'm gonna place a room over here with a key. So basically, when you design a level, you need to make sure the player doesn't get fucked. But if you want to give some freedom of movement, you may want to, I mean, it's a bit difficult to design a level considering the player choices. You need to give him the illusion of free will, basically. So, okay, you open the door, you open this door, you go down there. So what we need to do now is place a door. Okay, over here. So this is a storage area. Place a room over here. And maybe another one over there. What for? I don't know. You can explore it or not. Okay, a bit. Okay, down here. Nice. So when the player comes over here. Basically, this is a bit of a dry area. I need to put something over here. I don't know what though. What can I put over there? Huh. The machine? The vending no, the vending machine should be over here. What can I use? The corridors, nope, too small to be put here. Well, anyway, that's it for today. So this is the first part. Thank you for watching. I'll keep you updated.